Thanks again, Pasquale, for volunteering to watch Copernicus tonight while Helen and I go to the fall festival. Just keep him company. He sometimes gets lonely when his daddy has to weave.
Not to worry, Chuck. I will keep him company. On the walk over, I was writing a song, so maybe I will test it out on him. See if he likes it. Maybe he doesn't like that idea.
Oh, I bet that's Helen.
Hey, Chucky, ready to go?
Hey, Helen. Yeah, this is gonna be fun.
Hey, Pasquale, you're cat sitting, huh?
No, I'm sitting on the couch.
Good one.
Okay, Pasquale, we'll be back in a few hours. Thanks again. See ya.
Okay, you guys have fun. Bye-bye.
Finally! I thought they would never leave, huh? Now that it's just you and me, I hear you've got a song you've been workshopping. Let's hear it!
A talking cat?
This coming from a guy who hangs out with talking animals all day. Last time I checked, Chucky is a mouse, Helen's a bird, and Jasper is a dog. Need I go on?
You make a really good point, but how come I never heard you speak before?
I'm shy, okay? Golly! Oh, But enough of that. I want to hear this song of yours. Entertain me!
Well, it really does need some work.
Hey, I get it. It's a process. No judgment. Hit me with it.
Well, okay. There I was on a crisp fall night, taking a walk underneath the moonlight. The leaves were falling on the ground. Footsteps make a crunching sound. The sun has set and it might be dark, but I feel so light here in the park. I think of a joke and I feel witty. I'll tell you next time I'm in the city, yeah.
Pretty catchy tune there, Mustache Man.
You think so?
Sure do, but I gotta tell ya, I don't like that last line.
Oh?
How about this? I think of a joke and I feel witty. There's nothing like a cute little kitty.
Okay.
Yeah, you see there? It's getting better already. Okay, let's hear the next verse.
Taking a walk on a crisp fall night, feeling good underneath the moonlight. Autumn sights are all around, colors of gold, red, orange, and brown. The temp is cool, a new season starts, but I'm feeling so warm here in my heart. I pass a park bench where I once sat, say hello to a friend as I tip my hat. Oh yeah.
All right, yeah, not bad.
You have a thought?
Just a little change to that last line again. Hear me out.
Okay.
I pass a park bench where I once sat. I feel so happy when I pet a cat. Boom! Ha ha ha! Pasquale, this song is gonna be a hit!
Okay, if you say so. But do you think this song is starting to become too much about cats?
You got a problem with cats?
No, I love cats. It's just that,
Look, I'll just try to forget that you said that. All right, you got another verse?
Well, yes, one more.
Lay it on me.
I actually think you're going to like this verse as it is.
Well, all right, sing it.
Taking a stroll on this fall night. Hey, look, there's some cats underneath the moonlight. I love kitties, they are so cute. Maybe I should get one and name him Boots. Little bitty kitty cat, meow, meow, meow. That song's really catchy, think I'll watch it right now.
Little bitty kitty cat, meow, meow, meow. Little bitty kitty cat, meow, meow, meow.
Going to watch the kitten wearing mittens. Copernicus is the cutest of the kittens. Oh, meow, oh, meow, oh, meow.
Huh.
You don't like it.
Well, it's just, yeah, it's too much about cats. Just kidding! You can never have too many cats!